All right, guys, so on these crepe myrtles that are behind me, we're actually going to consolidate them a little bit. As y'all see on the roof side, they're starting to kind of hang down towards the roof, which necessarily isn't a good thing. If we get heavy storms, you're going to be smacking on the roof and things like that. So this customer just kind of wants to straighten them up, make sure that there's not overhang. On the tree behind me, we have a lot of hang over the street, right? We don't want any UPS trucks or anything amongst those lines hitting those trees, because then they break branches and affect the tree negatively, right? So we're just kind of going to clean them up to make sure that our customer number one is happy, but also that his home and the trees are safe.